This is the Cold Springs Fire. We are looking at a total of 536 acres. We had an IR flight last night, so that gave us a better, more accurate mapping of the footprint of the fire. So there is no containment still. We have 5 Type 1 helicopters on the fire, a Type 2 helicopter and a Type 3 helicopter, all supporting operations today. Firefighters are doing point protection in various areas with structures, as well as trying to put line around the perimeter of the fire. Firefighters are going to go direct wherever they can to try to start getting better grab on this fire.